What is up, my colorful beauties? Obviously, this is another boring ass makeup tutorial. Psych. I'm not boring. I can be, but whatever. Anyways, on today's makeup look, it's gonna be this beautiful purple look. So cute, so cute, so cute. Anyways, you're gonna need these two palettes. I suggest you guys get these. They're so freaking bomb, like, and they're cheap, and they're just good palettes. Like, they're very, very good. But yeah, if you want to achieve this look, keep on watching. Órale, ya vamos a empezar con la ceja. I'm using the Benefit Brow Pencil. I've been loving that eye pencil lately. I like to clean up my eyebrows so my eyebrows are nice and straight. You know what I mean? Gotta have some eyebrows on fleek. I swear I've been taking forever to do my brows, but anything to make them all nice and cute, you know? You don't want to have a bad brow day, I guess. But anyways, I have been loving this freaking pencil. Bomb. I like to clean up my eyebrows with concealer also on the top so my lines are nice and straight. You know? Yeah, it's a need to do this. Okay, beauty, so now I'm gonna be priming my eyes with the Tarte Sheer Tape. Of course, this concealer is bomb. I like to apply my base with the fluffy brush. Obviously, I feel like it smooths everything out. It prevents creases and everything like that. Going in with the flat brush in the Revolution Constellation palette shade Cosmic. I'll be packing that all over my lid, my crease, and then I will be going in with a clean, fluffy blending brush just to blend everything out. Alrighty, so after we're done blending all that purple, we're going to be putting in the Neptune shade in the same palette. We're going to put that in the outer and inner corner. I like combining these colors together. It kind of like makes like an indigo color. I love it. Speaking of loving, I love blending everything in. It's very important to blend and have a clean blending brush on you, because you want to transition these colors very good. You don't want no harsh lines, none of that here. After that, I'll be cutting the crease. I won't go all the way. I'm just going to do a half cut crease with it. You can grab any concealer you like. I'm using right now the Revolution C9 one. So yeah, I mean, anything works.
Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant
just grab that Neptune shade in the Constellation palette with a flat brush. Go inner and outer corner in the eye. We're going to use the Unconditional Love palette in the Revolution brand. We're going to use the shade Platonic. We're going to do that in like the middle of the eyeball. And then after that, we're going to go in with the shade Saturn in the Constellation palette. And we're going to kind of blend that out with the Platonic shade. I like to go back in and blend out those other colors that I was using. It's just a bad habit I have. I like to go back and like touch up. It's just the way I roll. I will go in with the small little blending brush in the shade Cosmic to make that line a little bit more sharper. Ready, set, face. Let's start this off with the color corrector. I've been using this a lot lately. It really blocks out my ojeras porque no me quiero mirar cansada. That's one thing I hate about my eyes and being Honduran, I guess. We always look fucking tired. Yeah, and I just realized I put way too much, so like, I was afraid that my foundation was gonna look so crazy, but obviously, foundation will fix that. I'm going in with the Lancome and the L'Oreal Infallible. Lancome shade 270 and the L'Oreal shade 500. But I've been using these foundations for a hot minute. I just find the mixture of them to look very flawless. Como te digo, me quiero mirar como bien joven y no vieja. Going in with my favorite concealer, Revolution in the shade C9. Don't be afraid to go up in there and blend. Y'all don't want to look messed up, like having like texture in your face. Take your time while blending. I'm going to be smoking out my eyes with the Cosmic shade. Then I'm going to be using my cream contour, my Stilla in shade dark, and my L'Oreal 500. Mix those two together. That makes my cream contour. I like cream contour. Like I said, it makes you look a little bit more glowy. I like that glowy look. It's kind of like a glowy, dewy look. Not really dewy, but I guess I feel like it, I don't know, it just makes you look very like flawless. After that, I will be baking. Me quiero mirar flaca. Órale pues. Then after I bake, I'm going to be going in with the Celestial shade, and I'm going to be using that as my highlight. Look at that. She is popping and glowing, about to shine bright like a diamond. Gonna be going in with the Beauty Glazed lips in the shade Koko K. They mimic the Kylie lip kits. Like I said, I've been loving them. Beauty Glazed, if you don't want to pay for Kylie prices, this is a really good freaking matte lipstick. Alright, gonna be putting in some falsies. These falsies, I actually got them on Amazon. I will put the link down below for more info. They're like very light little wispy lashes. I didn't want to go dramatic today because I didn't want to look like my eye was about to fly and shit. Alright, let's put some mascara on them baby lashes. Curling now. My top lashes to make my falsies blend in. Then I will be going in with the Revolution setting spray after that. And that concludes the final look, my colorful beauties. I hope you guys loved it. See you guys next time. Bye.